This is just a quick addendum to the previous video that I made about easing and removing a dart using ease. And that's the shoulder that I had previously, and as you can see it's still got some lines on there which might just possibly show when the jacket's put together. So I had a think, and because this fabric is quite thick, I decided to extend those easing stitches just a little on either side and then have another go at pressing, and this is the result. Now, how much better is that? So I would suggest, if you have a fabric that is a little tricky to ease, then you just need to give it a little bit more length on those easing stitches, and you can see the difference quite clearly. So that has pressed completely flat, and once this is stitched into the seam line, you will not see that at all.